villagers passed by. They saw the sisters arguing and stopped there. The girls fighting as usual. I wonder why. Oh, don't bother. It's just mindless fighting. They need to learn some lesson to be kind and generous. Girls, why are you all fighting? We built a swing and I want to swing on it first. But my sisters are fighting with me. The villagers laughed loudly and went away. All the three girls felt bad about that. The parents of the three girls were watching the scene. They saw how the girls fought and how the villagers laughed at them. Girls, come here. Let's play a new game today. I will give each one of you a stick and you have to break it into half. The girls started breaking the sticks into half, and within minutes all the sticks were broken. I broke them first. Don't cheat. Mommy knows that I broke them first. No, I was the first one to break it. Right, Papa? The game is not over yet. Here's your bundle of the sticks. You have to break it into half. Oh, Papa, I cannot break the bundle. It's too hard to break it. No way, Mommy. It's impossible to break it. Why do you give us this kind of work? No one can break a bundle of sticks. Your 390 sticks. When you stick united, no one will harm you. But if you fight each other, everyone will laugh, make fun of you. The three sisters learned the lesson. After this incident, they started helping each other and never fought again. They understood that unity is strength.